To tie this head wrap, we are going to be taking one step at a time. But what we are going to do first is make our foundational pleats. Make like 2, 3, 4 pleats depending on your capacity of controlling and managing them. Now we are going to go to the back and cross the hand. But please take note, before you make your foundational pleats, make sure you have divided your material into 50-50, because the division going for this head wrap is going to be 50-50. So we have gone to the back and we have crossed the hand forward, not minding which one goes up and goes down, because it is shared equally. That is 50-50. Now we are going to come to the back and stretch the excess out like this, then pick each angle up like this and knot it down like this. Just pick one angle down, not everything. Just take one angle from each side and knot it down like this. This is very easy. You can use any material of your choice to create this, either Ankara material, Ashoki material, very hard material, or a soft material. All of these are going to come out very nice. Okay, so I'm still there knotting it. I will knot it twice so that I'll be able to remove my hand. Now I have the flap by the sides, so I'll go for the first one by folding the pleat down. When I create one, automatically others will follow. I'll just use my hand to stretch and trace them out. Okay, that is all you need, and I think that is where the most of the work comes in. Use your hand to trace it properly. Take your time. When you want to tie gele, you need to take your time no matter what. So I use my hand to trace the side, that first side out, then I'll come to the other part and repeat the same process. Okay, so I'm here on the second side creating the pleat. So at the center, I'll take the excess to meet each other and secure down with office pin. But before I proceed, you see that remaining parts that remain for the knot side that you can see, I'll push it forward because I'll be working with it later. So I'm at the side trying to adjust. So when you look at it, you see where you need to adjust. Take your time to adjust it so that it will come out well, and that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm not going to rush. I'm going to take my time to dress it, and this is the part I'm talking about that I push forward, then I'll direct each side to each angle, or each angle to each side, whichever way, and bring out a shape like this and adjust all the adjustables, shift to the back, show my hairline, and I'm good to go, guys. So if you have watched this length, hope you have gained one or two things. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everything. So let's work on the back. I'm going to cover up the back. You don't want to leave it so rough, so I'm going to cover it neatly and secure down with an office pin. So as much as the front is important, so the back. So get it well arranged and aligned, and this is the back. And finally, we are ready for O1 bed. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace out.